Siri Jarmale and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now serums. Serums is a very essential part of our skincare routine because serums have very small molecules that can penetrate into your skin and give you more benefits than any moisturizer can. So serums in the markets is super duper expensive and unaffordable. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own serum with mostly natural based ingredients. So let's get started with the video. To make the serum, you will need the following ingredients. You will need some rose water, some aloe vera gel, a few drops of olive oil, a few drops of coconut oil, and some kesar or saffron. This is the magical ingredient. So what you need to do is just take 2 to 3 strands of kesar, add it to your aloe vera gel, give it a good mix, and just let it sit like this for about 10 minutes. Now, to the kesar and aloe vera gel mixture, I am going to be adding in 3 drops of coconut oil and 3 drops of olive oil. Now, I'll give it a good mix. But not the least, you will need to add rose water to adjust the consistency of your serum. It depends if you like it thick or thin. I like it just in between. So I'm just going to be taking it in and I'm going to add about 8 drops. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm just going to give it a mix and I'm going to check out the consistency. I think it can be a little more thin. So I'm going to be taking in a few more drops of rose water. So 9, 10, 11. Give it a good mix. And we are done. You can add in a little more rose water if you like a thinner consistency. I think I shall go with a little more rose water. I can't make up my mind, you guys. So that's about 15 drops I'm going to be putting in. How about about 20? Okay, and I think that's perfectly done. So guys, I have my serum all ready over here and I'm going to try it on. My skin is bare, there's nothing, I've cleansed it, I've toned it, now it's time for serum. So I'm going to take in my serum, going to just drop it everywhere. I think you'll require about 3 to 4 drops depending on the size of your face. So I think it's over, let's just take a little more on the chin, on the forehead. It dropped, I'm so messy guys, I'm sorry. So on the forehead, and don't forget your neck. You can use this on your neck as well. So let's try it out. So now I'm just going to spread it out. Okay, it feels super duper smooth. It has a little yellowish tinge, but that will disappear. That's because of the saffron, and just remember you're rubbing in all the goodness of saffron. I know saffron can get a little expensive, but if you're Indian, you'll most probably just have it in your house already. So I've taken, and I'm just rubbing it. This has rose water, which is pH balancing. It has oils, which are moisturizing. And guys, I know you know the benefits of coconut and olive oil. So I'm rubbing it on my neck. It's giving my neck a very good shine. I love it. And even my face, look at that glow. It's awesome, you guys. And you can wear this under makeup. Makeup will look amazing. Foundation will look awesome on this. It'll give it a luminous glow from within. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Do try it out and let me know how you guys like it in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!